Welcome to mathematics class. Topic of the class is mental arithmetic multiply part 1. Whole numbers. The numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity is called whole numbers. Infinity. The numbers that is an uncountable is called infinity. For example, the number of stars in the sky is uncountable. Natural numbers. The numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity are called natural numbers. Odd number. The number which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is called an odd number. For example, 1001 ends with 1, so it is an odd number. 987 ends with 7, so it is an odd number. 6789 ends with 9, so it is an odd number. 9003 ends with 3, so it is an odd number. 1555 ends with 5, so it is an odd number. Even number. The numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is called an even number. For example, 1000 ends with 0, 582 ends with 2, 1678 ends with 8, 966 ends with 6. So it is an even number. 9304 ends with 4. So it is an even number. Multiple of 2. All even numbers of multiples of 2 are divisible of 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. What is multiplication? Adding the same number to the given number of times is multiplication. For example, 0 into 5. 0 times 5 added 0. 1 into 5. 1 times 5 added, which is equal to 5. 2 into 5. 2 times 5 added. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 3 into 5. 3 times 5 added. 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Multiplication table of 2. 0 into 2 equal to 0. 0 times 2 added, which is equal to 0. 1 into 2 equal to 2. 1 times 2 added. 0 plus 2 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 times 2 added. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 times 2 added. 2 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 4 times 2 added. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 5 times 2 added. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 10. 6 into 2 equal to 12. 6 times 2 added. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus equal to 12. 7 into 2 equal to 14. 7 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 14. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 8 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 16. 9 into 2 equal to 18. 9 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 equal to 18. 10 into 2 equal to 20. 10 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 20. 11 into 2 equal to 22. 11 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 22. 12 into 2 equal to 24. 12 times 2 added. 2 plus 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 2 equal to 24. Multiplication table of 3. If the sum of the given number is 3, 6 or 9, then the number is multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. For example, 399. 3 plus 9 plus 9 equal to 21. 21 equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Therefore, 399 is divisible by 3. 502. 5 plus 0 plus 2 equal to 7. Therefore, 502 is not a divisible of 3. 495. 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 18. 18 equal to 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Therefore, 495 is a divisible of 3. 294. 2 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 15, which is equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Therefore, number 294 is divisible of 3. Table 3. 0 into 3 equal to 0. Any number multiplied with 0 equal to 0. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 2 into 3 equal to 2 times 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 into 3 equal to 3 times 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. 4 into 3 equal to 12. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 6 into 3 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 7 into 3 equal to 21. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 8 into 3 equal to 24. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 10 into 3 equal to 30. 11. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 11 into 3 equal to 33. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 12 into 3 equal to 36. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. For example, 1 into 0 equal to 0, 5 into 0 equal to 0, a into 0 equal to 0, where a can be any natural number. 0 into 0 equal to not defined. It means 0 times we cannot add 0 or multiply 0. So it is not defined. Multiplication by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number only. For example, 1 into 1 equal to 1, 5 into 1 equal to 5, a into 1 equal to a, where a can be any whole number. Multiplication rules of odd and even numbers. Odd number into odd number equal to odd number. For example, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 7 into 7 equal to 49. Odd number into even number equal to even number. For example, 3 into 8 equal to 24. 5 into 2 equal to 10. Even number into odd number equal to even number. For example, 6 into 5 equal to 30. 8 into 3 equal to 24. Even number into even number equal to even number. For example, 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 into 8 equal to 32. Activity. Write the odd number between 50 to 50, 150, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63 up to 149. Find the even number between 200 to 300, 202, 204, 206, 208, 290, 292, 294, 296, 298, 300. Write the table of 1. Write multiplication table 2. Write multiplication table 3. Give 5 examples to prove odd into odd equal to odd number. Give 5 examples to prove odd into even equal to even number. Give 5 examples to prove even number into odd number equal to even number. Give 5 examples to prove even number into even number equal to even number. What is the difference between natural number and whole number? Whole number contains a number called 0. Natural number does not contain a number called 0. It starts from 1 to infinity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.